Assalamu alaikum, myself Moin Khan. Welcome you to Abstract's online sporting program. This lecture belongs to ninth class, second lecture of first week. Our first lecture starts from chapter 5, that is gravitation. Contents of our second lectures are comparison of law of gravitation and Newton's third law of motion, and gravitational field, field force and field strength. Before discussing comparison between the Newton's third law of motion and law of gravitation, we have to recapitulate our previous knowledge about the law of gravitation and Newton's third law of motion. As earlier in our first lecture, we have to discuss about the law of gravitation. If the earth is pulling down on you with a gravitational force of 500 Newton and you are pulling up on the earth with a gravitational force of 500 Newton, and according to third law of motion, if an object A exerts a force of an object B, then the B must exert a force of equal magnitude and opposite direction back on object A. Now we discuss the comparison of law of gravitation and Newton's third law of motion. If the force acting on mass m1 is considered as action, then the force acting on m2 will be the reaction. The action and reaction due to the force of gravitation are equal in magnitude but opposite in direction. This is in consistence with the Newton's third law of motion, which said that every action has there is always an equal but opposite reaction. Now we come to our second topic, that is gravitational field. First we define the gravitational field, the region of space surrounding a body in which another body experiences a force of gravitational attraction. This is known as gravitational field. After the gravitational field, we discuss gravitational field strength. Gravitational field strength is basically the field force per unit mass. Its value is 10 and its unit is Newton per kilogram. This means that an object with a mass of 1 kilogram would be attracted towards the center of earth by a force of 10 Newton.